Hello guys, Global Studio here for your SolidWorks tips and tricks. In this video we will discuss about how to do the flat pattern, and also we will discuss about the issues we are facing in flat pattern. This is the most basic issue we are facing in flat pattern. Let's discuss about that also. Before that, I will do this simple modeling just for refreshing your knowledge. I will close this window now. We will start with a new file. Go to file and take new and take the part and click OK. After that, go to front plane and create the sketch. Create one horizontal line like this and one vertical line like this. After that, give this dimension 50 or 100, and this dimension you can give 50. Vertical dimension, give it around 50 and click OK. After that, create one center line like this. Then we have to mirror these two lines over this center line and then click OK, and then go to sheet metal. If the sheet metal tab is not available for you, then just right click here and just enable this sheet metal like this, guys. And then go to sheet metal here, just click to this base flange or tab and give this dimension 100. This direction we can give mid plane and then click OK. Now my model is created. Now there is one more flange inside this one. Just create one sketch here like this, one rectangle, and give the dimension 50 and give this dimension also 50, and then go to sheet metal, take the extruded cut option, then make sure this link to thickness option is checked so that it will cut that thickness of sheet, and then click OK. Then go to edge flange and click to this edge, then give the height around 30 and make the direction opposite by clicking on this icon, reverse direction. You can see, right? For that you have to click and then click OK. Now we have created the sheet metal model. Okay, the next step will be very simple. We have to create the flat pattern. In the sheet metal tab, you can see flatten option. Just click to this, guys. As you can see, we have created our flat pattern now. Now we will discuss about the issue we are facing. Just uncheck this one. Now what I will do, I will just increase this height. This dimension I will give 60. As you can see, guys, now this is the wrong practice of doing the sheet metal model. The modeling, it will give the flange for this dimension, but practically it is wrong because we are bending the material that is available in this portion. So it is not possible to have more than 50 mm of material. As you can see, it is available only 50 mm here, and it is not possible to make 60 mm flange because we are cutting the material from here only. So if I try to do the flat pattern, it will give error. This thing you have to remember, guys. Now in the 50 mm material, 50 mm length material, how much flange we can make? We can go for 49.5 because thickness of the sheet is very less, so that we can go for the less value. And also one more thing, guys, there is no gap here between these two edges. So there should be a gap, otherwise it is very difficult to bend. It is not even possible to cut the material in this way. Okay, that's all guys for this video. I hope you guys learned how to make this sheet metal flat pattern and also the problem we are facing while doing the flat pattern. Always remember, it is wrong practice if you are giving this flange dimension more than the slot dimension. Whatever the material is available in the slot, that only we can bend it. That's all guys for this video. Once again, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Thank you. We will meet again in the next video. Bye bye.